electronic signs at the Alliant Energy Center this weekend flashed the warning 5-minute wait for COVID tests. Of course, that's nothing compared to the hours-long wait that we saw last fall.
But those tests are still incredibly important. Gabriela Becerra is live at the Alliant Energy Center and shares why doctors don't want you to forget to get tested. Gabby?
Well, getting tested for many of us isn't top of mind anymore, but if you were exposed or have symptoms, doctors say getting tested is just as important now as it was last year. The dreaded nasal swab isn't happening as often these days.
Tests are down.
Down how much? Over a 2-week stretch in November, Dane County averaged more than 6,000 tests each day. During the past 2 weeks, the average was down to 2,600. UW Health's Dr. Jeff Pothoff says there's a couple of reasons those numbers took a nosedive.
One is vaccinations up. So as more people are vaccinated, less people are going to get sick. We're going to see less tests. And then even for the unvaccinated, as you decrease the rate of COVID in the community, less of it out there, maybe you see less tests.
Even though transmission is slowing, it's not gone altogether. Getting tested will protect you and the community, maybe even more than last year.
We now have therapies that, if given early, reduce the severity and the likelihood that you have severe disease. This is something that we did not have early on in the pandemic, but we have now.
This message isn't only for unvaccinated people.
Those are the people that were really interested in sending their test off for sequencing.
A positive COVID-19 test from someone who's fully vaccinated holds a lot of information that could improve the vaccines.
That would be really big news. That would start to tell us that we might have variants that are defeating vaccinated people, and that would be an indication to get working on a booster shot.
And the good news is getting a COVID test is a lot easier and faster than it used to be. You can get one at your health systems, at pharmacies, or even here at the Alliant Energy Center.